Blunt and concise. Strength or weakness. If you're concise, then you have something to say, you say it, and move on. However, if you're blunt, it has to be to a degree that makes a difference in the interaction in which you're engaged. So, if you're blunt and trying to chop a tree, that's a bad thing. But if you're blunt in a conversation, then you're given the opportunity for the individual with whom you're having the conversation to understand where you're coming from and converse accordingly. So not everybody appreciates the history of this location, obviously, because they decided to graffiti. But this is an old stagecoach stop. At one point, it was a convenience store. As I walk out, I can show you the front of what used to be the convenience store. But the building itself is an old stagecoach stop. So from San Antonio, the stagecoach rode out to Bandera, county of Bandera, of course, Bandera County, and the city of Bandera being the county seat. And this was along that 20 or so mile stop that could be made in a day of a stagecoach comfortably. And this is just one of those stops along Bandera Highway, Highway 16. Of course, Sarah and I decided to stop and check it out and document. One thing you may have noticed is that when I have an opportunity to capture a sunset, I will pull over on the side of the road, much like I did here, break out my camera, get it set up, and capture it in much the same way that I enjoy waking up, making a cup of coffee, and capturing a sunrise. It is my hope that you continue to find value in that, in what I call God's canvas. I also cherish the opportunity to spend time with friends and family. And if I didn't take advantage of this opportunity to pop fireworks with my friends and family, then that would have been one of those moments that was lost forever. Even though everything is not working out exactly the way that I wanted it to on my build, I'm still looking forward to getting out and taking advantage of the opportunity that I have before me. Probably the biggest thing that I want to be able to do is to travel about the country and see a lot of the things that I was not able to see whenever I was stationed in various locations throughout the states, but also have an opportunity to spend some time visiting family in other states that I may or may not have an opportunity to visit with regularly, or for that matter, in some cases, that I haven't even met yet.
I got one right here.
Yeah, that's cool.
Fire in the hole!